guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can retouch your makeup on CapCut PC. So add in your video to the track here. I'm just going to kind of zoom in so you guys can see better. So for instance, I want to add makeup on this bit. So go to enhance under video. You have to select the clip first, by the way, or else this won't show up. Select face. Actually scroll down until you find makeup and turn it on. Here you have the set, and as you can see there's only one person, so I chose single mode, and choose the makeup you want for like yourself. You can also adjust the opacity as well. You can also like only add in eyelashes if you don't want to add in if you don't want to add in the rest. We have these eyelashes option. You can also again edit the opacity on this. If you want to add in an eyeshadow, you can, and again you can adjust the opacity, or if you don't want to add in, that's fine. And you also have one for lipstick as well, and here you can edit the opacity of the makeup as well. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!